The Bulldozers have moved into this makeshift migrant camp on the Greek border as a government operation to relocate migrants from Idumini continued. Rows of domestic tents are crushed and cleared away as people take what they can carry and load into buses destined for official government reception centres. Families wait by the side of the camp they've called home, but among conditions that many have so often called dire. They now wait to be moved onto somewhere new. Greece's Public Order Ministry said that 1,529 migrants had left the camp, estimated to have once held more than 12,000, after several Balkan countries shut their borders in February. Barbed fences serve as a reminder of a people so often enclosed. Greek authorities said they plan to move more individuals gradually to state-supervised facilities further south, but the operation has called for a heavy presence of Greek and Macedonian police. They say they do not intend to use force to remove the migrants, but the process is expected to last several days.
Ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,